Hello guys, in this video I will show you how I managed to hide away the charging cable for my dash cam. Initially I had some pigtail like cable which ran from the dash cam itself down to the car lighter, which is here, and it was very inconvenient. I couldn't change the gears properly, and it was in the way. After a while I ordered a 3-meter USB to micro USB cable from eBay. It's this one here. The cover is, the mesh is of plastic, is a bit harsh, but it was only about $3, and the shipment, the shipping was free, so it was worthwhile. But unfortunately 3 meters weren't enough. In my Renault Clio Mark III I didn't thought I would say this, but I was really well surprised to see that I can really hide the cable really well behind the plastic cover for the rain sensor from the windshield wipers, under the hood liner, and from that going straight here, so from this going under it, under the rubber water sealing of the car. I took it down, I don't know if you can see, through here under the dashboard, but the cable was a bit short, so right now it's on display right here on the right passenger side. So I had to order a USB cable extension with female to male connection. It has 1.8 meters, and it will be more than enough. The surplus cable also, I will be able to hide it under this plastic cover from the gearbox. So right now it shows, it looks like this, but the end result, I think it's gonna be way more pretty, way prettier. So in first place I took it out, the 3-meter cable, and I will try now to set it first to a length here which will allow me to rotate the dash cam in a 360-degree angle. At this point the cable is all hide until under the glove box department, the dashboard. It looks really neat. You can't really see anything aside from this end here. So here you can see the end result. I didn't have to use any zip ties or any other duct tape. From under the dashboard I went over the near the air cabin filter on this side and came up with it through here, through this plastic panel, and up to the car lighter. This is all that can be seen, and with the armrest it's all good. It's really not in the way, not even when the passenger would put its seat belt. All the excess is placed beneath this cover. Let's see if it starts. So it's all good. Thank you for watching. Take care.